Hello, today we are going to see about asynchronous transfer mode in communication network and data communication. So what do you mean by asynchronous transfer mode? It is a switching and multiplexing technology that employs small fixed length packets called cells. A fixed size packet was chosen to ensure that switching and multiplexing function could be carried out efficiently with delay variation. ATM is a connection oriented packet switching technology that was designed to provide the performance of a circuit switching network and the flexibility and efficiency of a packet switching network. ATM was intended to provide a unified networking standard for both circuit switched and packet switched traffic and to support data, voice, and video with appropriate QoS mechanisms, that is, quality of service mechanisms. Next, we are going to see about protocol architecture. The asynchronous transfer mode protocol architecture is designed to support the transfer of data with a range of guarantees for quality of service. The user data is divided into small fixed length packets, that is called as cell, and transported over the virtual connections. This asynchronous transfer uh, mode operates over high data rate physical circuits, and also the simple structure of ATM cells allows switching to be performed in hardware, which improves the speed and the efficiency of ATM switches. The functions for transferring user data are located in the user plane. The functions which are associated with the control of connections are located in the control plane, and the coordination functions associated with the layers and the planes are located in the management planes. ATM logical connections. Logical connections in asynchronous transfer mode are referred to as virtual channel connection, and in short it is called as VCCs. VCC is analogous to virtual circuit. It is the basic unit of a switching in an ATM network. This virtual channel connection is a setup between two end users through the network and a variable rate full duplex flow of fixed size cells in exchanged over the connection. The virtual channel connection are also used for user network exchange, that is the controlling signaling, and network exchange, that is network management and routing. So let us see about the advantages of virtual paths. There are various advantages in virtual paths. In to be notified, it is simplified network architecture. It increases the network performance and reliability. It reduces the processing and short connection setup time, and also it enhances the network service. Let us see about the simplified network architecture. In network transport function that can be separated into those related to the individual logical connection, that is virtual channel, and those related to a group of logical connection, that is called as virtual path. That is, it is separated between the virtual channel and the virtual path. In increased network performance and reliability, the network deals with fewer aggregated entities. In reduced processing and short connection setup time, much of the work is done when the virtual path is set up, but by reserving the capacity on a virtual path connection, it is anticipated of lateral call arrivals. The new virtual channel connection can be established by executing simple control functions at the endpoints of a virtual path connection, and there is no call processing is required at the transit nodes. In enhancing network services, the virtual path is used internal to the network, but it is also visible to the end user. Let us see about the ATM cells, that is asynchronous transfer mode cells. ATM makes use of fixed size cells consisting of 5 octet header and 48 octet information field. There are several advantages to the use of small fixed cells. First, the use of small cells may reduce queuing delay for high priority cell because it waits less if it arrives slightly behind a low priority cell and has gained access to the resource. Second one, the fixed size cells can be switched more efficiently, which is important for very high data rate of ATM. With fixed size cells, it is easier to implement the switching mechanism in hardware. ATM service categories. The various service provided by ATM are constant byte rate, that is shortly called as CBR, unspecified byte rate, it is UBR, variable bit rate real time, that is VBR RT, variable bit rate non real time, that is VBR NRT. CBR provides ensured constant band. The bandwidth assigned to the CBR service is decided by the peak cell rate. With CBR service, the source station can send ATM cells at PCR constantly with assured quality of service. UBR. UBR service does not make any service quality commitment, guaranteeing neither cells loss ratio or cell delay. When traffic congestion occurs, cells of the UBR service are dropped first. The UBR service is suitable for applications with low requirement for delay and bandwidth. Next, we are going to see about VBR RT. VBR RT service is provided for applications that have strict restrictions on delay and jitter such as audio and video. VBR NRT service, it supports non-real time application with burst traffic. A VBR NRT connection is described by PCR, SCR and MBS, and the VBR NRT service is suitable for application sensitive to cell loss but not to delay. The questions can be asked such as the types of ATM service categories, explain about ATM cells and logic connections. These are some of the reference what we have made. Thank you.